PGA National Resort, Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. An officer stopped a woman in the lobby. 4 bags, 3 names, one story that kept changing. 3 felony charges followed.
What happens next?
Your car, so you see where you turned right to go into the gym? Instead, you're going to turn left where you go in the Uber lot. It's going to be there right next to a Jupiter police car.
Okay. Am I going to the airport right now?
No, it's your car.
I got a ticket to the airport, so...
You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
See your keys?
What?
Let me see them.
No, I'm good.
I'm a police officer.
Okay.
Security guard. Okay, let me see your ticket. Let me see your keys.
My keys? My keys?
Let me see your keys, okay? Let's walk over there.
Okay. Are you going to take me?
Huh?
Are you going to take me to my car?
No. Find out what's wrong with you.
There's nothing wrong with me.
Okay, I just want to make sure there's something wrong with you.
My name's Karina. My name is Maya.
Say again?
My name is Maya.
Okay, what's going on? So what's going on?
So see, I got beat up. So I'm a little bit like, disheveled. I'm hungry. I have to pee. I didn't brush my teeth. I have my period. I just want to go home.
Okay, where's home for you?
Well, I'm going to be going to Georgia. And then I got married in December.
Where are you going right now? Where's your plan to go?
I'm going to my car and I'm going to go get something at Burger King. Chicken tenders.
Okay, and then where are you going?
I'm going to be going to my mom's in Georgia.
In Georgia? So
Yeah.
How are you going to get in there? You driving?
Yeah.
You driving to Georgia?
Yeah, I drive to Georgia all the time, don't you?
No.
But you don't drive? You're a police officer. You cruise all
Are you
the
okay,
time.
ma'am?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Just 2 seconds ago you said you're going to the airport.
No, I said I have tickets to go to the airport on Wednesday. So we're going to go to the airport on Wednesday. Listen, I just had a terrible
How are
time.
you going to the airport on Wednesday if you're going to Georgia today?
Well, what's today? Sunday. It takes 8 hours to get to Georgia. I'm going to go visit my mother. She just opened a new hair salon. And then I'm going to drive to the airport, which is in Georgia.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you, ma'am?
No.
Do you have anything with your name on it?
Yeah, I have a marriage certificate.
That'd be great.
Come on. Did you ever
You don't
get
have an
new
ID, how are you going to
shoes?
drive?
Huh?
How are you going to drive with no ID?
I'll find it. It's in my bag. Did you ever get new shoes and never try them out before you wore them? Don't do it. I'm wearing it.
Nah.
I got this.
Okay, what is that? I don't know what that is.
It ain't shit here.
Yeah, we're at the resort.
Excuse you. I only have 1 copy, so don't lose it.
I'm going to be right here. I'm not going anywhere.
Here's my ticket for the airport.
You have a ticket for the airport?
No,
Why?
it's not your business where I'm going.
My concern is right now is if you're okay to drive.
Okay.
Okay, and if
You want to
you're
give a
all right.
breathalyzer?
No, I don't think you're drunk. I think something else might be wrong with you.
Oh, well, you're wrong.
Okay, stop.
Give me my
Stop.
marriage certificate.
Stop.
Give me my marriage
Stop
certificate.
it. Stop it, okay?
Give me my
Because
marriage
right now,
certificate.
No. Listen to what I'm telling you, okay? Right now, I'm trying to make sure that you're okay, right? But this is not an arrestable offense. It's the difference between, I don't know where you're from, but you're in the state of Florida, it's what's called the Baker Act, which means I'll take you to a men's
Here, ready?
hospital, okay?
Here.
And I'll make sure you're cleared
Here.
for the hospital.
Been
Okay,
there.
what does that have to do with,
Been there.
okay, what does that have to do with what I'm talking about?
Nothing. Give me my paper back.
Okay, what is your name?
Maya.
Maya what?
Read it. It's on there. I got married December 6, 2023. I'm
Say anything
eloping.
about Maya. Where does it say anything about Maya?
Huh? It's my marriage certificate. What are you talking about?
Where does it say Maya?
We'll flip it over. Do you want to see my wedding invitations?
Oh, right here, look. That's you?
Maya Daniels.
Okay. You live in Las Vegas? You're from Las Vegas?
Well, I got married there, so don't judge.
Okay. All right, just give me 1 second. I just want to make sure you're good. Make sure you have a valid license and stuff.
Okay. I have the other key. I can go without your key. Can I make your certificate?
I don't care how many keys.
Huh?
I don't care how many keys you have.
But can I make your
want to make
certificate?
sure that you're okay to drive, okay?
That's fine.
Because I am very concerned about
That's
you.
nice.
Okay,
I'm concerned for you.
Okay, well, I'm very concerned about you.
Perfect.
Okay, because you're not making sense.
Yes, I am.
A lot of things
Can
you
you
don't
come
make
over here and
sense.
witness the fact that I'm making sense, please? That's bullshit.
Okay.
No, I didn't. I absolutely did not. And I'm recording this on my phone, so you want to play it back?
Well, listen.
I didn't say anything. I said to the officer, "Can you take me?" And he said no. So please don't tell me what I said, because I'm not an officer.
Okay,
I have a
well,
CPR certification. I'm a medical professional. Thank you.
Okay. What do you do for a living? Is it a medical professional?
Well, right now I'm out of work, if you need to know.
Okay. What does that ID mean? What does the badge mean? What is
It's
that?
for the Honda Classic.
What is it? Just a guest pass to get in?
Yeah. What? What did your badge mean? It means you're here to protect and serve. Right? If you don't know, then you need to take your oath again.
Listen, do you want to hurt yourself?
Nope, never.
You gonna hurt
Not one
somebody
day in my
else?
Hell no.
Do you
I
know
come
where
with
you're
Christ. I'm at PGA National,
What city are you in?
Palm Beach Gardens.
Do you eat anything
Unfortunately,
today?
I had a hamburger. I had some smart food popcorn, but I gave it to a little girl with red hair in a flowery dress by seat 111 and 17th hole of the Bear Trap. I ate.
Drinking it all?
I had a beer at 10 o'clock this morning. I didn't even finish it. It was a Corona. I had a Big Rocco's in Royal Palm Beach.
What state are you from? What state are you from?
Originally in New Jersey.
Try New Jersey, please.
I had a problem with some police officers, okay? So I'm leaving.
Do you have an ID with your name on it? Let me
Yes.
see an ID with your name on it.
Can you not show that guy behind
Okay.
me?
Yeah, you get 22 of that. You give me a fake name.
That guy's behind you.
65 the correct deal number.
You can leave.
Let me get the deal.
You're real, right?
Listen, I'm a police officer. Give me your ID. 65 the deal number.
But the guy behind you is listening.
Listen, I don't care. Now you got me mad, okay? You gave me a fake ID. That's illegal.
I didn't give you any ID.
You did.
I gave you a
did.
marriage certificate.
That's the same thing.
I gave you a marriage certificate.
And you told me your name was that. That is a fake ID.
Sure, yeah.
All
These
right,
are the bags they gave me.
Turn around.
Hey.
Turn around. Turn around.
Don't
Turn
throw me
around.
down. Don't throw me
Turn
down.
around.
Don't throw
Turn
me down.
around.
All right, I will.
Turn
Don't throw me
around.
down. Don't throw me down,
Listen,
please.
turn around.
Don't throw me
right
down.
now.
All right.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Do it now. Turn around.
Please don't hurt me.
Turn around.
Please don't hurt me.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
cups.
I have a broken thumb. Please don't hurt me.
We're
Help.
done.
Please help. Please
Stop
help.
resist. Stop
Help.
resisting.
I'm not.
Stop resisting.
Please help.
Got it.
Mom. Mom. Mom.
One in custody.
Please help. Please help. Please help. Officer. Please help. My name is Maya.
All right, Maya, just calm down.
Take her bag then. My thumb. Please take this bag. They gave me the bags. Listen, officer, they gave me the
Stop
bags.
it. Stop it.
They gave me the bags.
We're at the resort. Stop it.
Okay, they gave me the bags.
We're done. Just hang out right here, okay? No, we're done. I don't care what
They
you
gave me
have
the
to do.
bags. Ow. Just take
Just
this
hang out here
backpack
for a
off.
second. Wait for the.
They gave me the bags.
She's giving me fake ID. It's not like this.
I have real ID. You have
Stop
real
it.
ID.
Stop it.
Sir, you have real
Stop it. Stop touching me.
ID. Don't punch me.
Stop touching me. Okay, we're gonna do that in a
Listen,
second.
they
Right? Just hang
gave
out.
this to me. They gave this to me. Ow, you're hurting my arm.
Then stop moving and just hang out. We're done.
Ow, you're hurting my shoulder.
We're done. Stop it. We're done.
You're on my shoulder. Can I stretch my leg, please? Hey, listen, here's my
Long
real
story.
ID.
Let's get her up and take off. Yeah. Well, she's stealing other people's bags.
No,
going
he
through their
didn't,
stuff.
sir. They gave me the bag. Ow, I'll get up. Once
Okay,
you...
get up.
Ow, my arm. Take this backpack off for me. I'll get up. Hold on. Wait. One.
Get on up. Come on. You can get up hurt. Come on. Get up.
Ow. Take this backpack off. It's not mine.
You're under arrest. Let's go.
Okay, hold on a second.
No, we're done.
Where's
Let's
my
go.
ID?
We're done.
You're under arrest, so you please do not answer my
Okay,
question.
take this backpack off me. It's not mine.
Of course it's not yours. That's why you're under arrest.
Let's
No,
go.
this is not my backpack.
That's great. Let's go.
Mine.
We have to go.
That's mine.
Let's go.
Ow, you're hurting my
Then
arm.
start walking.
Ow.
Early in the contact, the officer offered Florida's Baker Act, a psychiatric hold available when someone appears to pose a danger to themselves or to others. He offered it as an off-ramp. She refused it. That moved the encounter from medical to criminal. She identified herself as Karina, then Maya, then a marriage certificate said Myra Daniels. Florida law treats providing a false name to law enforcement as a third-degree felony, up to 5 years. A marriage certificate with someone else's name on it is not identification. It is evidence. The bag she carried did not belong to her. The victim described watching her walk away with all four. Florida Statute 8-1002, burglary of an occupied structure. Entering a building with intent to commit theft while it is occupied. Second-degree felony, up to 15 years. The property value $5,000 to $10,000 triggered a separate grand theft charge, another felony. 2 felony counts, 1 bag drop. Miranda rights were read post-arrest, by the book. What followed a detailed account of a Rolex, watch, its jeweler, its buyer, and where the receipt was stored. Under Miranda versus Arizona, post-custody statements made after rights are read and the subject continues talking are fully admissible. She kept talking.
Start walking. We're done.
Help me. Are you a sheriff? No. They have my ID.
Keep that 50.
What does that mean? I didn't steal.
Yeah, all right.
I swear to Christ on my mother.
Okay.
I rebuked this.
You park your car over there, right? It's towed. You're by the way. We tow your car.
No, my car. You didn't tow my car, Papa.
Yes, I did.
I have the phone number.
Okay.
No, his name is Mike. Oh, wait 1 second for me.
We're right here. The car's almost
I
here.
pissed myself.
Oh, that's too bad.
Listen, I'm not going anywhere with you.
Oh,
You guys locked me
Yeah, I got
up
full control.
Right.
and beat me up.
Wait, let's do this right. Put it right here. Put it right here.
Okay, yeah.
Let's get his stuff.
Oh, my thumb is broke. Ah,
Go ahead.
I'm not resisting. Look at me.
Okay,
Who's
okay,
gonna take
stop.
this face?
We're done. All right?
Are we
You
really
gave me a
done?
fake ID that doesn't belong to you.
Oh, you.
So let's
No.
find out who bought pack this video.
I-
You won't be able to get it off.
Yeah, we're done. Wait till the...
Right,
Ow.
get
I want my
Let's get this
mom.
Females against
Mom.
Stop acting up, man, okay?
Yeah, take it off. I can't bend
Ma'am,
the
you can't do it with the cuffs on.
Okay.
So just stand by for a second.
My dad is a police officer.
All right.
My grandfather's Judge
It's heavy,
Ramsey.
so what? Get it.
Ah.
Oh, you didn't go all the way through.
Ah,
There you go.
saca la madre. Sa camarón. ¿Tú hablas español?
No, I don't speak Spanish.
Ay,
I'm American.
That's your
I have a lighter. Be careful. Okay. I don't know how to use it.
Could be a lighter or a knife. There's a knife. Knife.
It's orange. It has a person on
You
it.
guys not advise the 14 of the golfer trying to steal bags?
Listen, yeah, the brown bag is mine.
Okay,
That's
stop it. I don't care. Just be quiet. That's it. It's not funny.
Alright,
Just
let
stop.
her pull it back. I do the front.
it. LeBeau from the butcher shop gave me the bag.
Wonderful.
Face forward, okay? Face forward.
You?
No,
I don't know
face-
what forward is.
Look that way. There you go. You have anything in your bra or anything?
Only blue. Not big ones. But
Listen.
Come around. Face that
Which
way.
way?
There you go. Stay that way until I tell you otherwise, okay? Okay.
I'm going to read you something while she's doing that, okay? You have the right to remain silent and answer any questions. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. Any statement can and will be used against your court of law. You understand what I read to you today? Okay, with that in mind, is that Rolex yours?
yes.
You bought it?
Yes.
What type of Rolex is it?
It's a custom Rolex. I bought it with Michael Marinelli. The receipt's in my
What is it?
safe. I don't know, it's a blue face Rolex. I ordered it for my daughter from Mayors in Boca Raton. Michael Marinelli, it was my boyfriend, and I have the receipt
This
in
is
my
the lady
safe.
from the car.
Yeah, another production.
Are all 4 bags yours?
The
You want to come with
one,
me?
yes, the 3 up here. 1, 2, 3 are mine. That one was not mine. This was with it. These that were with them. These weren't involved. These 2, and then we're missing 2 more bags.
You're missing 2 more bags? Is this purse yours?
That purse was not mine. I did have another purse in my backpack.
So explain to me what happened from the beginning.
So basically, my husband was playing golf today. He was one of the last groups to finish on 18. We were trying to make a flight. So I went to our rental car. I took his travel case out of the rental car. I brought it into the locker room, waited for him there. As soon as he got there, I said, "Do you want me to go pick up my bags from bag drop?" So we had dropped
What time did you drop them off?
10:30 this morning.
This morning, 10:30?
10:30 this morning. And we dropped off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags in total. And then I pulled up to valet and I asked the guy if he could just pull the car around so I could go pick up my bags from bag drop. I stepped out of the car. I saw this lady holding my 2 suitcases, my bag, and my backpack completely coincidentally. Yeah.
Karina was
3 charges filed: burglary, grand theft, resisting an officer without violence. She served 106 days, 2 years probation. All 3 charges were ultimately dropped before trial. On January 28, 2026, new arrest: burglary, aggravated assault with a weapon, case still open. The lesson silence is a constitutional right, not a confession. Every explanation she volunteered became material for the case against her. The officer gets an A. Patient, methodical, legally grounded. He identified concern, offered alternatives, and built the case before arresting. Karina gets an F. 3 identities: stolen luggage, a concealed knife, 0 silence during questioning. Florida law does not grade effort. It grades elements. Intent plus possession plus false identity, all elements were present. Silence and a lawyer would have cost her nothing. She chose neither. Subscribe for weekly Bodycam breakdowns. Drop a comment. What do you think her sentence should have been?